If you're running a high-speed NVMe SSD but stuck with limited ports, it's time to upgrade with the Eluteng NVMe PCIe 4.0 adapter. This adapter lets your SSD perform the way it was meant to. Boost your speed, expand your storage, and keep your system cool. The Eluteng PCIe adapter gets it done. Its compact expansion card installs directly into your desktop's X4, X8, or X16 PCI slots, letting you add an M.2 NVMe drive up to 4 terabytes. It supports standard M.2 sizes like 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280, and works with Windows, Linux, and macOS. NZ enjoy theoretical transfer speeds up to 32 gigabits per second. Check. Built-in aluminum heatsink helps maintain performance. Comma, no driver needed on most modern systems. Check. Built with solid-state capacitors for stable voltage delivery. Whether you're building a new system or upgrading an older one,